Court documents reveal the leader of the far-right group, the Proud Boys, has cooperated with the FBI. NBC6 reporter Laura Rodriguez is live in Miami. And Laura, what do we know right now about this?
Well, a 2014 court transcript and the former federal prosecutor confirm Henry Tarrio worked side by side with law enforcement and in other investigations providing information. The Miami-based leader of the Proud Boys, a far-right extremist group, cooperated with the FBI and local law enforcement in multiple investigations in a significant way. This, according to a court transcript from 2014. The former federal prosecutor in Henry Tarrio's case confirmed to NBC6 he cooperated with local and federal law enforcement to aid in the prosecution of those running other separate criminal enterprises, ranging from running marijuana grow houses in Miami to operating pharmaceutical fraud schemes.
It's very common for people convicted to cooperate with law enforcement, and generally it's in order to try to get their sentences reduced.
The 2014 court transcript shows Tarrio began working with law enforcement after he was arrested in 2013 on federal fraud charges related to a scheme to sell stolen diabetic test strips. The prosecutor said Tarrio helped federal law enforcement prosecute 13 other individuals. The transcript also states Tarrio worked in an undercover capacity in a case involving information pertaining to an illegal immigrant smuggling ring.
Well, if you're in the Proud Boys, you've got to be pretty nervous, because if this person was working as a confidential informant, almost like an undercover agent or a secret agent for law enforcement, you wonder, what is it that he could be saying about us someday?
Tarrio's role as a police cooperator predated the rise of the Proud Boys, which was formed in 2016. NBC6 called and sent a text message to Henry Tarrio, but he did not respond. And in an interview with Reuters, Tarrio denied working with police and said, quote, "I don't recall any of this." Reporting live in Miami outside the federal courthouse, I'm Laura Rodriguez, NBC6 News.
Laura.